Hello friends, welcome to Devil's War Recipes. Today, we bring you a delicious and simple dessert from Great Britain. Did you know that one of Britain's most elegant desserts only needs 3 ingredients? It's called a posset. And today we're making 2 versions, a lemon and an orange. This dessert dates back to medieval England, where possets were originally warm drinks enjoyed by nobles and royalty. It was originally a drink made from milk curdled with wine or ale and flavored with spices. By the 16th and 17th centuries, possets became popular among English nobility and were often served during special celebrations and occasions. Even famous literary works like Shakespeare's Macbeth mentions possets. Over time, the recipe evolved into a chilled dessert made with cream, sugar, and citrus juice. That's it. What's the amazing part? The citrus naturally thickens the cream, creating a silky custard-like texture without eggs or gelatin. It is simple, elegant, absolutely delicious, and your kids are gonna love it. So now, let's get cooking. The ingredients we're gonna need are 2 cups of heavy cream per recipe, half a cup of granulated per recipe, 4 lemons, and 3 oranges. Quick and easy. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna zest our lemons or our oranges, or both. Once we get the zest, about a tablespoon, we're gonna cut our lemons in halves, and our oranges, and then carefully with a knife, we're gonna get the fruit out. This is because I'm gonna use the peels as a vessel. If you're not gonna use it, then you can just cut them regularly and squeeze them out. After cutting, we're gonna pull the fruit out. And clean the vessel real good. Then using a colander, I'm going to squeeze all the juice out. We're looking for about a cup of juice, either orange or lemon. Now we have our juice ready. Now, in a pot, we're going to add our heavy cream. For each recipe, we're going to use 2 cups. We're going to turn it on at medium heat, and we're going to add our sugar. We're going to start incorporating until the sugar melts. It's a very quick and easy dessert. Once it starts bubbling, we're going to add the zest, in this case the lemon or the orange. Just when it starts breaking the boil, we're going to turn off the heat and we're going to add our lemon juice or orange juice. we're going to start incorporating, and the acidity of the citrus is going to help us thicken this dessert. That's the beauty of it. While it's still hot, we're going to start filling our vessels. Like I said, you don't have to use the course of the lemons or oranges. It just looks nice. For the rest, I'm going to use some ramekins. As our lemon and orange possets are in the fridge, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you don't want to miss any new videos, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any recipe that you would like to see. And at the end of this video, don't forget to give us a like. Also, don't forget to visit our store in Amazon, where you're going to be finding cooking books, pots, pans, specialty ingredients, etc. Or Tivo's World Recipe Store, where you're going to find coffee mugs, t-shirts, stickers, etc. We're also revamping our store, and now you're going to be able to find Luffy merchandise, like the one I'm wearing today. So, wait for that, it's coming soon. Thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's get back to the kitchen. Our possets are ready, and I have some blackberries that I'm going to use to decorate. This is optional, and you can also use blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, whatever you like. Or you can do like a creme brulee, just put some sugar and flame it. Simple as that. Our citrus possets are ready, and they look fantastic. So let's try them. Start with the lemon. Look at that. Nice custard. Such a mellow but delicious flavor. Let's try the orange one. See that? Wow. Super fresh, very easy to make, and perfect for a dessert for your kids this summer. Hope you give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.